Hey guys, in today's video, I wanted to bring you a review on the Footwell LEDs that I recently installed on my Tacoma. In this review, I'm going to cover three things. We're going to go over how easy these things were to install, the features or functions, as well as the output on these bad boys. Let's jump into it. The Footwell lights that I decided to go with are from V LEDs. I chose the color red. That was my personal choice. They're easier on my eyes, and I just like red, rocking red on the inside of my truck. Check those out. First, the install on these lights were super easy. It was all plug and play. The V LEDs, the kit that they include, comes with a harness, all the plugs, everything that you need to get these plugged into your Tacoma. Through some of the factory routing and plugs and connectors, made it super easy. If I had to rate the installation on this, it was 10 out of 10. It was so easy. They had instructions online. If you haven't seen my video on how to get these installed, I'll leave a link down in the description, probably put a pop-up up here. But yes, super easy install. I really enjoyed putting these in my truck. It was so convenient just plugging it in and taping it to the truck. Now, jumping into the features, there are some pretty cool features on these lights. For instance, when we open the door, the light's output goes up all the way, making it easy for you to see when you're crawling in or your passengers crawling into the truck. As well as when you go to shut the door, the lights inside dim down with your headlights on when you're driving, dim down to a level that you have set using the dimmer that they came with, and making it super easy on the eyes when you're driving at night, and keeping it at a level that lets you see, but not too much that it hurts your eyes while you're driving at night. And I mentioned the dimmer before, but that dimmer is a nice feature that has that, so you can adjust the output and set it to a level that's easy and comparable to you. Now, I mentioned some of the output features with that dimmer. You can set the output to however you'd like, but comparing it to some of these universal kits that you can find for super cheap, you can't really adjust the output, and they're super bright. They might even be super low on their output. And so that's what makes this super nice, these VLEDs, is that you can adjust it however you'd like. It's not super harsh on your eyes. The output isn't outrageous. You don't need a remote to control the output. You set it to what you would like, and you're ready to go. Plug and play is my favorite thing, as you guys know. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this review. I didn't want to get super into it, super comprehensive. I kind of wanted it to be a quick, easy review. I'll leave these linked down in the description below. I'll also leave my video on how to get these installed down in the description, so you can get these installed on your truck. I highly recommend it. It gives you some great illumination in the cab, gives you some great illumination in your footwell so you can see and grab stuff when you're driving at night. But if you like this video, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys in the next one.